How to fix Viber login error. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix our login error on Viber. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're getting a login error on Viber, then what could be the reason that this is happening? Now this could be happening due to multiple reasons. The first thing you want to check is that it's not the issue with your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. Second, make sure that you have got access to your phone number and that you're receiving messages, because sometimes if you don't have access to the same Viber phone number, then you won't be able to regain access to your account. Once you've done that, you can also launch the Viber application like this and make sure that the phone number that you enter is correct, because it could be due to an incorrect phone number that you're not receiving the SMS or verification. Then after that, you want to make sure to enter all of your details manually and tap the arrow button to save the changes, and most likely that would help you solve the problem. If not, then do not try from the same page over and over again. If you're using Viber on Android, long press the Viber app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page. So go to storage and usage, clear the cache files, and you can also try to clear the data over there. And after you've done that, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Viber and check if it has an update. And if it does, then you of course want to make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.